The Rainwater Park in capital town San Fernando, Pampanga is both beautiful and functional. It covers about 2 hectares inside the 35.6-hectare township. The park has landscape gardens, a lagoon, fountains, a mini football field, a playground, and an amphitheater. It is a place for families, friends, and visitors to enjoy. Underneath, it has a rainwater collection system. This system stores rainwater and slowly releases it into Santo Niño Creek. It helps reduce flooding during heavy rains. The park is also an ecotourism spot that boosts Pampanga's image as a green city. It blends recreation, tourism, and climate-smart design in one destination.